In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add video content to your Weebly website. Videos can be a great way to engage with your audience, make your site more dynamic, or simply showcase your content in a more captivating manner. So, whether you have an upgraded Weebly account or you're a free user, I'll walk you through the process step by step. Let's begin by diving into the Weebly site editor. Once you're in, look towards the top bar and you'll see the Build tab. Click on it and you'll notice a list of elements popping up on the left side of your screen. This panel is quite handy because it provides various elements that you can simply drag and drop right onto your web page. Among those, search for the option labeled HD Video. This is the element you'll use to integrate video content directly into your website. For users with an upgraded Weebly account, using the HD Video option is straightforward and seamless. All you need to do is drag this HD video element from the list on the left and place it exactly where you want the video to appear on your web page. Once it's positioned, click on the element itself. This will prompt you to upload the video file you want to display. And there you have it. It's simple and effective, allowing you to host video content directly on your site seamlessly. However, I haven't forgotten about those of you who might be using Weebly's free plan. Although this plan doesn't natively support direct video uploads, you can still easily showcase your videos using YouTube. Here's how to do it. First, upload your video to YouTube and make sure it's publicly accessible or unlisted if you prefer limited access. After your video is successfully uploaded on YouTube, copy the video's link. Now, switch back over to your Weebly editor. In your editor, look for the YouTube embed element in the same left-hand panel, and, similar to before, drag and drop this element where you'd like it to display on your site. Once you've placed the YouTube embed element, simply paste the copied YouTube link into the designated field. In just a few moments, you'll see your video integrated right into your page, playing directly from YouTube. And that's it. Whether you're utilizing Weebly's upgraded HD video feature or embedding through YouTube using the free plan, adding video to your Weebly website can be quick and easy, making your site more engaging and visually appealing. So why not give it a try today? Your visitors will thank you for the enriched experience you now offer. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.